Qmee is a popular app and website that allows users to make money by completing various tasks like answering surveys, searching the web, and participating in offers. Here's how you can start earning with Qmee. Answer surveys. Qmee offers paid surveys that are tailored to your profile. These surveys typically involve answering questions about your preferences, interests, and shopping habits. How to earn. Sign up, complete your profile, and start answering surveys to earn money. Search the web. Qmee offers a unique feature where users can earn money simply by searching the internet. When you use Qmee's browser extension, it will display paid search results alongside regular search results. How to earn. Install the Qmee extension on your browser, search as usual, and earn small rewards for each search. Complete offers. Qmee also provides paid offers that involve signing up for apps, testing products, or making purchases. How to earn. Complete the available offers, which can involve a variety of actions to earn rewards. Referral program. You can refer friends to Qmee and earn a commission when they complete tasks. How to earn. Share your referral link and get rewarded when your friends start earning on Qmee.